Hello everyone, this is Damon here for Naples Luxury Cars featuring this 1982 Ford Bronco XLT big lift kit. I'm going to talk about the paint here real quick and then Miss Debbie's going to start it up. We're going to do a cold start video. It's been sitting here for 2 or 3 days. Paint is in phenomenal condition. Down the passenger side, the paint is perfect. The back, it's perfect. There's a couple little nicks on the metal thing here. On the driver's side, I did highlight in a couple of the pictures. There's a nick underneath front of the mirror right here. It's like 3 scratches in the gray. The pinstriping, which is tape, is in perfect condition. So this is definitely sat indoors. It was in a climate-controlled environment. The interior is in perfect condition. There's no fading up on here on the plastic. Obviously the interior is in amazing condition. This has just not been in the sun. So as we all know, a lot of these got beat up back in the day, people taking them up four-wheeling in the bushes and the hills. The paint on this, all the specs turned out OEM specs. So it's original paint. And it's just an amazing condition. So let me pop the hood here. And these springs are not great. So whoever buys this might want to get new springs on it. The hood's a little sketchy. Miss Debbie, if you want to crawl up in there, I'm going to show them everybody on this side. The exhaust manifold. They're going to want to see your hand more. Below those wires down on the metal.
This one right here?
Yeah. What is it? Hot? Cold?
It's Florida.
Florida cold, which is warm. This does have a new alternator. It's got 2 Optima batteries. Somebody did some extra wiring stuff here, it looks like. Everything works. Horn, lights, front lights. There's a light bar here, light bar up on top. It's got a new master cylinder. Does not leak any oil. You guys saw the pictures underneath. Looks like the original AC, bunch of new hoses, in really, really nice condition. If you want to crawl in and then we'll start it up, I'll go to the back. You can see on this side, the driver's side, you can't see those scratches from here, but they're significant if you get up here. It could be touched up with the factory OEM paint. It does have like god-awful wide wheels. It does have the 35 mud terrain TAs, which are really cool. You don't see these anymore. I personally probably would put a more narrow wheel on it, bring it in just a little bit so it's not sticking out so far, but everybody's got their own personal preference. The interior in this, you know, this is 1982 and the interior crazy.
This is.
Isn't it nice?
So nice. It's perfect.
So you're gonna step on the gas, just say twice all the way to the floor.
Sure.
And then when it starts up, once it starts up, wait about 10 seconds and just tap it. Just not to the floor, but just tap it and it'll kick it down a little bit. All right, whenever you're ready, I'm good. There you go. Starts right up every time. Obviously the automatic choke is working fine. We'll wait till it warms up a little bit before we tap it. What's the RPM on it now in the middle? About 1,500?
Yes.
How many miles on it? 88,164. No ticks. Should be down below, the lever's below. Turn it to the right, to the AC. Go ahead and turn it off. Back on. Turn it back on. Clutch is kicking in. AC is working great. Go ahead and turn it off, the AC off. The AC. And then just tap the pedal. We'll see if it idles. Just tap it. There you go. Perfect. So cool. You excited to do a drive video tomorrow? I know, right? Try the lights. Lights. Oh, look at that. Got the light bar. Oh, we got a light out up there. So we will get that fixed. Check out in the back. Fun. Lights. Perfect. You can shut it off. Thank you so much for the cold start. There you go. Gotta have this in. There you go. Had it neutral. Oh, those silly girls. Go ahead and turn the lights off. There you go, everybody. Enjoy. Somebody's gonna get a badass Bronco XLT. I don't know what size lift kit it has on it. If I had to guess, I'd probably say maybe 6-8 inches. Some of it is, most of it's spring and suspension. I don't see any body lift, so that's cool. I'd say probably a 6-inch lift, maybe a little bit more, but we'll see everybody soon on the test drive. Miss Debbie's gonna be taking this bad boy out for a spin.
You bet.
See you, everybody. Bye.